When I started working in the hospitality industry, it was back in England, and there is no union for hospitality work in England. And when I first moved to Sweden, and I noticed on my paychecks that some of my money was going towards the union there, I got acquainted with the idea that a union does exist for this work. So when I left Sweden and I came to Finland, the first thing I did when I started working in hospitality again was to join the union, because I really believe in this strength in numbers. The PAM has helped me in many, many ways. I've often reached out to the experts online and asked them questions regarding my employment contracts, or sometimes when I've fallen into these sort of grey areas, they helped me with a previous employment where I was underpaid for what I was doing. Yeah, I mean, like, PAM has been a invaluable resource in my working life, and it's also helped me connect with people. I've been part of the Impact Forum, which is now the Helsinki or the Finland leaders, where I've met other immigrants in a similar situation to me, and it's helped build a community. For me, it's a no-brainer that, of course, there is the strength in numbers, and I feel that the biggest strength why you should join PAM is that knowledge is power, and the more that you understand about your working rights, especially in Finland, if it's a new country to you, the more power that you have over your future, the more information that is available for you to be able to navigate your working life and understand your rights is the most important reason I think that anyone should join the union.